is you tight? Yeah, I was surely fucking running the break. Got this clap and taking one in the break.
Hey guys, I'm back with another fucking video. Roy dropped his 8+ down a fucking sewage drain today in Brenham. So he had to go in and buy his ass a motherfucking flip phone. So let's see what he got. Okay. Family Mobile, taking it back to the old days. Look at that. He's got a camera. You know what? I grew up without a camera on my flip phone, so.
Well, let's see how nice it is. See how easy it is to set up and shit.
So,
man, they make it hard as fuck to get in the box.
It come in a box.
I know, the box is nice as fuck, man. Look at that. Even flips open.
Yeah, so we just left fucking Walmart. And he decided to get him a flip phone. So now.
God damn. I guess they don't want you stealing their fucking flip phones. I don't know who the fuck would come and steal one.
You know, Roy was nice enough to give me a Sonic drink. So shout out to Roy. It's a vanilla shake, classic shake from Sonic.
Look at them nice manuals.
Man, that's fucking amazing.
Alright. It's like these new flip phones these days are basically iPhone 5s.
Yes, sir. Woo! Man, I wish I had one of them back in the day. Tell you what, I've been calling all my holes on that. Let's check this out. He got...
Dude, don't tell me this hoe didn't come without a battery.
$24.88 for this. He's got unlimited talk, text, and data. Look at that shit. I used to have minutes. He's got 1 gigabyte up to 4G LTE. Can you fucking believe that? And then it goes down to 2G. But you know what? Back in the day, I don't even think I had 1G, so... yeah. You having difficulties, Roy?
Fuck. How do you get this shit in? Are you supposed to take this plastic deal off?
Maybe so. I don't know. I haven't dealt with one of them since I was about 10.
10?
So.
Yeah, same here. Oh.
You know, guys, Roy's had a really bad week. And it's just been getting worse and worse.
That's an understatement.
You know, he was nice enough to buy me this stuff, so he's really good to his friends, even though he has shitty days. I really appreciate it. Voila, motherfuckers.
Oh, yeah. Fuck you.
That's how I used to do it, bro. That's exactly how I used to fucking do it.
Oh, we even got a damn charger cable, and it don't come loose, too, so we can't lose
it. Look at that shit.
Yeah. Alright, let's see if it powers on. So... here we go. Hold on, no, that's the camera. Oh. Dude, it's been fucking too long.
Maybe try holding the red phone.
That one?
Yeah. If it's even charged.
Oh, dude.
Holy shit, look!
Dude, what the fuck?
Man. This brings you back into them days, you know?
Dude, that's them old days right there, dude.
So, as y'all can see, Roy isn't broke. He's got him a nice Ford Lariat 5.4.
Just filled up on some damn gas.
Just filled up on gas. Got 266 miles to E. And you can see there's this wood everywhere. There's a nice ass shifter. He's got a sub in the back. Can't really see, but it's 4-door. And
a nice CB up here.
Nice brand new CB radio. You know, he's living the good life. It's just life throws rocks at you sometimes. And
hold on.
as long as you know,
I even got my first voicemail.
Look at that shit.
I'm popular. Hold on. Damn, it's been a fucking long time. Press it? No. Alright, we found out something. We can't press on this.
This nigga tried doing a touch screen on a flip phone. What the fuck?
Ooh, look at that screen though.
That shit is amazing.
Oh, we can connect the Wi-Fi. We got the sound over here.
Bro, we never even had Wi-Fi back in the day.
Oh, look at the text button. You can send text messages on here and shit.
That's amazing.
Hell yeah. Figure out how to work this out.
So, It is 9:59 at night, and we just decided to go get Roy a flip phone, you know?
Alright, so it says we got a text here.
So if y'all ever need help setting up a flip phone from back in the day, this is a tutorial.
Yeah.
Because
So
you gotta scratch off that gray, yeah, there you go. You gotta scratch that off.
it says you gotta to activate your service go to but that's if you got that shit. Text add. So hold on. You remember how to work one of these?
I really don't, man. I can't lie. My mom, and I grew up in a good family, and they bought me stuff, so I'm blessed for my mom and dad. Shout out to Amanda and
text.
Joey, my mother and father. They were amazing parents to me, and I've always had a good life. You know, life throws stones, but how you feel, Roy? I think his shirt tells the story. Y'all check out this shirt.
Text add.
This guy needs a beer.
Need a beer, motherfucker.
This guy needs a motherfucking beer.
Alright, so we did that. Oh, fuck. I think I fucked it up. Fuck, man. We have to start this over and shit. Dude, I legit don't remember how to fucking... Guys, I just want to let y'all know this. I hope y'all appreciate y'all shit. Because...
This is really an appreciation video for what you got.
Hey, man,
Even if you're paying it for yourself, you know, you got something better than a flip phone.
Alright, so how do we press enter on here to text it?
Maybe okay.
I want to get to where it says message. Oh, wait, hold on. It says text add. To, wait, oh, fuck, I messed it up already. Oops. Damn, man, I have to get the manual out for this one.
Hit the top left button.
Oh,
Here we
damn, dude, there we go. You smart as fuck. Text. Alright, 611.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Wait, what the fuck?
I used to have a flip phone back in the day, and I know my shit. You know, it's been years, but you know, I'm blessed to have an iPhone 8 and be able to record in 4K or 1080 HD. This dude's camera is probably gonna be shitty, so
Hey guys.
be blessed for what you got.
Wonder if this thing has Snapchat.
They don't have no fucking Snapchat, I'll tell you that. So he already found somebody to keep his streaks. That's a good thing.
Gotta keep them hoes entertained.
Yes, sir. So
611. Alright. How do we get down the message?
I have no idea, but okay, press that one button again, I guess.
This one?
No. Maybe go down. What the fuck did you do?
What? Whoa. Oh, whew. I want to go down.
Press OK. No.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Fuck, don't
Guys,
do that.
This
This is a lot harder than it looks.
is gonna be tough.
Like,
you know.
for real.
Maybe as soon as he gets used to it and sets it up, but right now we ain't done with this in a decade.
Oh, I found it out. There we go.
Can y'all believe it's almost 2019? Have y'all had a good 2018? Mine wasn't really that special. I graduated this year, so he graduated too. So I guess that's one good thing to be proud of.
I almost didn't.
I did good. I did good in college.
Wait,
college.
hey, how do we
I wish
press-
I was in college, but
How do we press enter?
I don't know, nigga.
See right there?
Did you press OK?
Hold on. No.
Press the top left. Oh shit, Roy. So this is gonna take some time, so we'll be back when he's figured this out. So
DA got that dope.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bridges undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free. And we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me?
Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit.
Blow the brains out the coop. Polly wanna talk, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been a pool. She an addict.
So guys, we're back at the crib. He got us. I'm gonna be honest with you. It took us about 30 minutes to get this motherfucking flip phone working. But you know what? This bitch works. It's got service. It's got 4G motherfucking LTE. Yeah. Yeah. How do you feel about it, Roy?
Nigga, fuck my life.
Oh, homie's big mad, but you know, at least he's got a phone to make calls on and text. So, damn, this light's bright, but yeah, we made it back to my crib, and
Well, I mean, at least we got a bunch of jewel phones.
yeah.
We got these.
Hey, speaking of that,
We got
y'all
the
go
whole-
try out these new ones. These motherfucking watermelon. This shit is a banger. This is really fucking good. I can't even lie to y'all. We both put them on ours.
They look
The tip is like fucking
smoother. It feels
pause.
a lot better.
Pause,
Right?
but no homo. But you know what I'm saying. So we got our fucking jewel pods, and it's a wrap. We got the fucking phone going. It's got internet, call, text, back to the fucking 2000s, man. You understand? So, yeah, that's a wrap.